Good morning, Rax. Today is Friday, April 17th, which makes today National Cheese Ball Day.
Gimme, 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 gimme.
And it is Blah, Blah, Blah Day.
Blah, 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 blah.
I think the focus of it is more on stop talking and start doing. Don't say, oh yeah, I'll get my work done. Get it done today. It's due, probably. Three big things for you. Martinez's exciting conclusion to The Most Dangerous Game as part of his Stories to Help You Fall Asleep series has dropped. And from what I've been gaining in going through Zoom interviews, it's really important that you get to sleep before the sun comes up. So read his series and go to sleep at a normal hour or something closer to that for when we go back to normal. The Counselors Connect series that Ms. Sharin has put together is something you can read and give you some self-care tips each day. Has its final day of the series here on this Friday. And the faster that we slow down the spread of the coronavirus, the faster that we can move back towards normal. Now, normal is going to be a little bit further away, but the steps towards that can get here a lot quicker if we're not going to other people's houses. Stay with the people that are in your house and make sure you're washing and staying away from the germs. You know, we don't want to see a rise in this because it's only going to delay our ability to work back towards normal. If we're doing a good job over the next few weeks, there's a good chance that we can move into those small group settings that we want to have. No birthdays at Rax here today, but we do have Victoria Beckham, Posh Spice. I know it's an awful accent. And then J.P. Morgan, the financier, or he looks like Ippolito with a mustache. I'll let you take the laugh with that one. We do have a couple birthdays over the weekend. We want to send out shout-outs to Dariella. Happy birthday to Dariella here on Saturday. And on Sunday, Sanila White. Happy birthday to you. So that's what we got for the weekend. You've reached another weekend, Rax, but don't get to the finish line dragging across. Get your work done if you need to. Start the fourth quarter off strong and have a great blah, blah, blah day, Rax.